Hey guys, on a test drive, trying to figure out what's going on with this vehicle and the way it's riding. So of course we're going to go drive it first. But the customer was telling me about it. It reminded me of this 1989 Honda Accord I had when I was younger. And whenever I hit a bump with it, it would be like called the Wave Rider. I thought that was cool. I had no idea how dangerous that was. Well, that's obviously not a good thing. There's a lot of shops that will tell you you need shocks and struts because it has 50,000 miles or more on it. That's not true. If we were recommending parts just by mileage, we'd be saying, all right, it's got 100K on it, you need to do the alternator, the belt, the tensioner, and the idler. That's crazy, man. But while you're at it, you better do the radiator too. We don't do any of that here at Action Automotive, man. We tell you the truth. We tell you what we would do if it was our car. And we definitely don't recommend things outside of what the manufacturer recommends just because we think it's a good idea. We don't do that. Look, if your car doesn't feel like it's riding correctly, bring it on in. You can go on the test drive with us if you'd like, because there you can talk to the technician, trust the repairs you're paying for. Give Casey a call. You're not going to find a better service writer. 719-633-0008. Thanks, guys.